Hello there, welcome to another FileDrop demo. Today I want to show you an update we made to the FileDrop uploader for the Google Sheets add-on. It's been a while since we've updated this extension, but I think we made some great progress on it, and you can test it directly in your Google Sheets if you like. Most of the updates are for the paid features, but some of them you can see them directly as a free user as well. So what changed? We changed a bit the design. So the upload area, the drag and drop area here, you can sort the files, you can preview, but this was before, so you can have a list. Let me add a couple of files so we can see how it looks. So I added here some images, and they can be like this or like this. So now I can upload them, and the file I'll upload it in the Google Sheets cell. The settings area for the beta uploader, the new uploader, we didn't have the library drive and settings like we have in the old uploader, but we made some updates to this as well, so the same settings apply here, and soon this uploader will gonna replace the old one. So we basically have the same tools here as well. We have the folder where the files are uploaded, we have the insert behavior, the file settings where we add as link or as images, and the cell width and height, the OCR settings, and how we're sharing the files that were uploaded via the uploader, and of course the other buttons for embedding, exporting, and so on. The Drive tab works as a browser for your Google Drive tab. We have the same setting here as a list or as previews. But if these are folders, let me go and browse a folder. So depending on the document, you can see a preview or not. The library as well, the library gives you access to the latest files that were added to your Google Drive. So for me, is the last files I uploaded actually right here. Yeah, that's about it. It comes with all the functions the other uploader has, but in a better way, and actually a simple way to work with. Give it a test. If you already have it installed, Google Sheet extensions, FileDrop, and new uploader, you're gonna see it there. Thank you, and see you next time. Cheers, bye.